don't like white people. Y'all very racist.
Well, I'm not white.
Boy, you all the way white. Uncle Tom.
On January 6th, 2023, an officer was driving until he noticed a woman who was squatting taking a pee.
Yeah, well,
Have a bad louder.
so you stopped in the middle of the roadway and peed.
Don't judge me. Don't judge you. You cute. You got a beard, mustache, mix, or whatever, white.
Why didn't you pull over or something?
I tried to. I wanted to. I'm okay.
You sure you're okay? Where you coming from?
Well, I'm coming from my house.
Where you going?
Home.
Where's home at?
That's not a question.
So you came from your house and now you're going home?
I dropped my best friend out. Bye, cutie. You cute.
I'm glad.
I like to have insurance.
Okay, well,
I'm supposed to be a nurse.
just stay right there. Just stay right there for me. I'm gonna talk to you, okay?
About what?
Chesterfield.
All right. The other thing too is your plates are expired.
No, they're not. I have my tags. I got my tags yesterday. My
Okay.
birthday's on 17th.
All right, I'll take your license and your insurance registration. What's that?
Sister. Oh, she said he flashed on me. He's white. I don't like white people.
You have your driver's license and insurance registration?
Of course I do.
Okay, can I see that, please?
I'm sure it was safe auto.
Okay.
I have to keep strips on my car because if I don't pay my car insurance, this is what happens. I get repo.
The registration for the vehicle was
This is my car. I had this car for like 3 years, babe.
Okay, do you have the registration for the vehicle?
You recorded. You very racist.
How am I racist?
Because that's registration. This car's registered. I had this car for 3 years.
I know, but I don't know that.
I don't like white people. Y'all very racist.
Well, I'm not white.
That's what I get. No, white people want to dog black people out.
Well, I'm not white.
Boy, you all the way white.
It don't matter about nothing.
Uncle Tom. Oh, that's the police. With the court, look him up.
He is.
From Louisiana. Tags right here.
Why is it on your car?
Because he sticks to my tags. You want to do it for me? Do it for me. You record it. Do it.
Why didn't you put it on the back?
Because it didn't stick.
It didn't stick?
No, it did not. I digged out my text in 220 white.
Okay.
It didn't stick.
Okay.
Look at my text right now. It didn't stick.
Well, I know
I
that.
scraped the text off my sticker.
I know. I saw the sticker. It's expired. That's why.
That's the only reason.
I'm scared.
Okay.
I'm scared.
That's why I fuck with white people. I rich up. I got business. I'm a nurse. Everything. I take care of 2 kids.
Okay.
My kids mixed. Yeah.
Lights on.
I don't like white people, man.
I'm scared.
So what was it? Why were you peeing in the roadway?
Cause I tried. My friend just bought a house out the way. She don't know her address. She not familiar with her address.
Right.
She
Okay.
not from here.
Okay.
She don't have a bathroom yet. She intoxicated. I don't know how to get to her house with a bathroom. That's why I did it.
She's trying to get
Okay.
With your white wrist ass, get man.
I
I'm coming to everybody, man.
got it right here. So you didn't have time to stop anywhere else to use the bathroom. You just decided to
That's why I did it. I ain't embarrassed. I'm a stripper. I used to be homeless. I slept in cars. Slept with white men. Slept with white men.
12150 also.
I voted for Donald Trump. All white motherfucker. Man.
How much you had to drink tonight?
I had 2 glasses of wine
How long ago was that?
30 minutes ago.
Okay. Are you feeling anything from your wine?
You said what, babe? It's very cute.
Are you feeling any effects from the wine tonight?
No, I'm not. I'm very overwhelmed by my business, school, nurse school.
Okay.
My baby dad not doing nothing. I'm just overwhelmed.
Okay.
My friend just bought a new house out the way. She don't know where her house is at. That's the only reason I put over to piss.
Okay. Sit tight, stay in the car. I'll be right back with you, okay? She's pissing in the road? I pulled up and she had her pants down her knees and pissing in the road. That's what that pile is over here. You see that? Right there.
Oh, cool.
All right, Andrea. Yeah, it looks like you took care of your plates and stuff, but What I want to do is I want to make sure you're okay to drive from this point. I'm going to have you step out of the car. And
I
then,
was in my car. I'm fine and I'm safe.
and then we're going to get you going, okay?
I was in my car. I'm fine and I'm safe.
I'm sorry?
My best friend just bought a house around the corner. I'm going to drive to her house and lay down in her bed. I'm okay. I promise.
Well, I feel like you are impaired.
I'm not impaired. I'm a whole damn nurse.
Okay.
School nursing school.
I understand that.
I take care of my elders. I take care of Miss Jocelyn. I take care of Miss Joyce. I'm fine and I'm safe.
Okay.
I'm sitting in my court. I'm safe. I promise.
Well, I understand that you might feel that way, but I want to make sure that you're okay to
You can
drive.
follow me around the corner
Well,
and I'll be okay. I'm not sitting in this court. I'm fine. I promise I am.
It's not going to work, okay? I want to make sure you're okay. I'm going to put you through some field sobriety, and we'll get you going after that.
I'm not getting on my car. I'm okay.
Okay. I mean,
I refuse. I'm okay.
Okay. Well, it is two ways of handling the situation, okay?
Good.
First, we can go the route where I make sure you're okay to drive from this point, and then you'll be released, okay?
Okay, you move out.
Or a second.
She stayed around the corner.
I understand that. That's fine. I'm trying to work with you, okay? As long as I feel like you're okay to drive, you'll be released.
Oh, probably I'm okay to drive. She won't stay around the corner.
Well, I don't know that. I pull up and I see that you're squatted down in the middle of the roadway, urinating in the middle of the street. Is that normal behavior for a sober person? Please answer me that.
I have a bad bladder. I have cancer.
Okay, and that might be the case. I want to confirm.
This conversation is recorded.
It's recorded right here. It's recorded right here.
On your end.
Okay. And I understand you might have a bad bladder.
Yeah, very
and I
racist.
want to.
I should have been in this area. You so bougie buying a house out here.
And listen.
Bougie. She's so bougie.
What's the point? We're right there.
And
She had to be.
and you've explained to me that you've just consumed a couple glasses of wine.
What's the point?
A cool glass of wine though. So what?
And that's
you just eat happy. You drink wine. I just drink bleach. One
okay,
stripper.
and that's fine. But what I want to do is confirm that you're okay to drive.
I'm fine. Okay. I'm okay. I'm more than okay to drive.
And then-
I'm a drunk bitch.
Okay, and that's fine. I'm not worried about you.
It's on me.
Okay, and I'm not worried about you, ma'am. I'm worried about her because.
What is the point?
Her house around the corner. Down the street right there.
We almost
It's down the street right.
up into our road direction, and then you pulled us over.
Listen, ma'am. I don't have any business with you. I'm worried about the driver. Okay, that's
It's around the corner. 5 minutes
and I
away.
understand that.
I know.
I understand that.
I'm about to go on Facebook Live. I'm gonna keep recording your ass.
That's fine.
Race white cop.
So again, like I said, I'm gonna explain to you again. Either I just want to make sure you're okay to drive.
Around the corner. That's it.
Yes.
5-minute drive. I'm fine. I'm great,
You're
baby.
saying that you're having a bladder issue, okay?
Of course. And I'm a nurse. Go to nursing school. I have a business.
Okay.
I got a piece.
I keep myself alive. I shut the pee.
Personally, got a piece of it.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do? I'm asking you to come out of the vehicle for me, so I can.
I'm not getting in my car.
Okay. Go. We'll get her out. Go, Sarge. Yeah. All right. So right now you're failing to obey.
I mean, what?
You're failing.
Obey law?
You're failing to obey my order of getting out of the vehicle. Are you refusing to get out of the vehicle at this point?
What is the consequences?
She's gonna get arrested if you refuse to get out of the vehicle.
I didn't do anything wrong.
I just explained to you what's going
I
on.
understand what you explained. I see police officers are drunk all the time, pissing outside front of my house. They killed my dog, Majesty. I have been through a bipolar. I was a crazy house. I've been a lot of.
Okay.
They took my dog.
Okay.
They killed Majesty.
Okay.
Now look, I saw y'all.
Okay. Your name's Andrea, right?
Andrew, let me get.
Okay. Again, I'm asking you to please exit the car, okay? Put you through field sobriety and be released if you're okay to drive, okay? Last thing I want to do is force you out of this vehicle. Do you understand me? Do you want to go to jail tonight?
Jail.
I'm asking you again. I've asked you probably several times. Do you want to step out of the car?
Ma'am, the officer's asking you to step out of the car. Step out of the car, please.
Come on, Lord. Y'all tripping on me.
Step out of the car. Now. This is no longer becoming a request. Get out of the car.
Authority. She's sitting around the corner right here.
You want to just grab her out?
Point. Can I go home
You want to just
safe?
grab her out?
All right, let's go.
Get out of the car.
All right, ma'am, go ahead and step out for us.
Unbuckle your seatbelt. Step out. You're under arrest.
For what? I do nothing wrong.
Failure to comply. Step out of the car, please.
Unbuckle your
Set a
seatbelt.
calm.
Unbuckle your seatbelt, please. All right, step out.
Don't grab me,
Come on,
babe.
step out, please.
I'm gonna go from her.
Step out.
Get out of the car.
Come on, let's go. Step out.
290-8560.
Step out.
Stand up.
Stop.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Put your hands behind your back. All right. Just put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
There you go. We're good. Hang on. Don't turn around. Just hang on a second, okay? Let us get the head cuffs on and we'll explain everything to you, okay? All right. There we go.
Take a seat.
The suspect was charged with DUI, public indecency, and failure to comply with a lawful order.